case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A Supreme Court case in New Jersey in 2003 centered around an unexpected grocery store hazard: loose grapes. The plaintiff, Catherine Nisivoccia, unexpectedly slipped and fell on a few rogue grapes as she navigated the supermarket's checkout lanes. The origins of the grapes were unknown. It was unclear whether they had fallen from a customer's bag or been negligently left by an employee. The store, Glass Gardens, Inc., maintained open-top plastic bags for grape displays in the produce area, a method that was likely to result in occasional spillage. The principal question brought before the court was whether the supermarket should have foreseen the potential hazard caused by the careless handling of grapes during customer checkout, thereby establishing a risky condition. The trial court originally deemed this a stretch to infer negligence on the supermarket's part. But on appeal, this decision was overturned by the Court of Appeals. The defense, however, attempted to dismantle the plaintiff's case by illuminating the store's grape-selling method and their regular floor cleaning program. However, these efforts proved futile due to a crucial oversight on their part: the absence of important details in the incident report, specifically information about the area of the accident and the post-accident inspection. Culminating in a twist, the court reversed the appellate division's judgment and sent it back for further action. It was determined that the plaintiff was indeed entitled to an inference of negligence, known as a mode of operation instruction. This turn of events handed the burden of proof to the defendant, requiring them to demonstrate their efforts to prevent such incidents. Now, it would be up to the jury to assess the adequacy of the store's efforts in exercising due care, a task initially misdirected towards obtaining a verdict for the defendant.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.